Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome to our English period. Okay, so dear students, in previous period we have talked about the Unit 3 Lazy Jack. In that study, we have seen that how the lazy Jack has turned into a good man and a rich person. Now, yesterday we have completed understanding what we read. Choose the right words to fill in the blanks and complete the answers. I hope you have done it into your textbook and copy as well. Now today we are going to talk about from page number 27. So dear students, please page number 27 open. Now here we are going to talk about spelling and vocabulary to improve our vocabulary skill. Okay. Now let's see, dear students. Number A, words with double consonants and the short I sound. Okay, here we are going to talk about words with double consonant and the short I sound. For example, जिनमें डबल कंसोनेंट रहेगा साथ में और उनका आई का प्रोनाउंसिएशन शॉर्ट रहेगा. डिगिंग, डिपिंग. Okay, so these are two consonants are in dark blue. Now write three words with double P and T. Now we have used double consonant G here, double consonant P. Okay. Now we have to write three words with double P. Okay. Double P and double T. Alright. So then what we have to do? Also words with single consonants and the long I sound. For example, beating, dining. Okay, it's a words with single consonant and this is the I sound is little bit long than the short I. Okay, just say biting. Okay, that is dining. So I. Okay, it's little bit long. So let's add some more words like this. So let's do it here. So three words with double P and T. Okay, so I am writing here. Okay, you can write, dear students, into your notebook. Okay, so please write down it into your notebook. So this is dragging, D-R-A-G-G. Okay, dragging is another word. Now if I want to write dropping with the P, D-R-O-P-P and it's a short I. Okay, then if I am going to talk about T, so double T, okay, or P. Let's see, sitting. Okay, all right, dear students. So let's do it. The next, the long I sound. All right, so we have the long, hiding. Okay, then riding. Okay, dear students, here our pronunciation of I is little bit long. Okay, smiling. Okay, so in this way we can pronounce the short I sound and the long I sound. Okay, all right, let's move to the page number 28 to the next. Okay, so we are on page number 28, dear students. Now this activity, please listen carefully and watch this video. You are going to enjoy these things. Okay, I hope, I mean damn sure that you are going to love these things and activity. So let's see what is the interest. Number B, it is important to know the name of money used in other countries. Dear students, as we know that in our country, whatever the currency we have, that is the Indian rupee. Okay, our Indian currency is the Indian rupee. Okay, now in the same way we should know the other countries currency. Okay, what do they call in their country? Now what happened with this Jack? Lazy Jack was given a penny for his work. Okay, उसके काम के लिए उसको एक कॉइन दिया गया था. The penny is a coin used in the United Kingdom. Okay, so penny is a type of coin used in United Kingdom. Now that is United Kingdom is also known as UK. Now let's find out where these coins are used and match the following. Now here are some names of the countries and states are given here, and on the second side their currencies are there. Okay, now dear students, we have to match with the correct state and correct country with the correct currency used in that particular state or country. Okay, so let's do it and let's find out. Okay, so first we have Australia. So dear students, what is used in Australia? So if I'm going to talk about the Australia, so in Australia we have many. So in Australia dollar is used. Okay, so dollar is used, so the option is D. In Australia dollar is used. Dear students, in Australia the value of dollar, okay, $1 is rupees 53. Okay, 53 and 75 पैसे इंडियन रुपीज़. ओके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का $1 मतलब हमारे 53 रुपीज़ 75 पैसे. ओके, लेट्स सी. सो ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर. नाउ लेट्स सी डेनमार्क. ओके, डेनमार्क. इन डेनमार्क, that is the Danish country, so kroner is used. Okay, I have searched, the currency of the Denmark is kroner. Okay, so our option is option F. All right, so Denmark's currency is kroner. So dear students, kroner's value is in Indian rupee 8 rupees 30 paise. Okay, 1 kroner means 1 kroner means 8 rupees 30 paise Indian rupees, Indian currency. Now let's talk about the Germany. In Germany, dear students, what is used? So the name of the currency used in Germany is euro. Okay, so euro, in Germany euro is used as a currency. And let's talk about the value of the euro. 1 euro. Okay, so the value of 1 euro in Indian rupees is 87 rupees 2 paise 02. Okay, so see how much value is there. Okay, number 4, Mexico. Okay, Mexico, in Mexico peso is used. Okay, the currency of Mexico is peso, so our option is G. So please mention here G. The currency of Mexico is peso. And let's talk about the Indian value. So 1 peso is equal to 1 rupee 51 paise. Okay, in Indian rupees. Now let's talk about the next currency of Russia. Yes, dear students, Russia is ruble. Okay, in Russia we found their national currency ruble, and the value of ruble is 0.99. Okay, in Indian rupees. Now number 6, Singapore. Singapore, yes, Singapore is the dollar. So dollar, we have again dollar. This is the Singaporean dollar, and we have talked earlier about the Australian dollar. So it's H. The option is H here. And the dollar in Singapore valued rupees 53.75 paise per Indian. Okay, per dollar मीन्स $1 का, सिंगापुर में $1 मतलब हमारे भारत में, हमारे इंडिया में 53 रुपीज़ 75 पैसे हमें पे करना होगा. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट नंबर 7, थाईलैंड. ओके, सो इन थाईलैंड व्हाट इज यूज्ड? नाउ वी हैव, ओके, so in Thailand baht is used. Okay, so in Thailand this number A option baht. Okay, that is called baht. Baht is used, and dear student, this is called the Thai baht. Okay, so its value is 2 rupees 35 Indian currency, in Indian currency. Okay, 1 baht means 2 rupees 35 paise. Okay, Now let's talk about the United Kingdom. In United Kingdom we use the pound. Okay, so in United Kingdom pound is used, so the option is B. Okay, alright dear students, and the value of 1 pound is equal to 97 rupees 52 paise. Okay, so in this way dear students, now you can understand a lot of knowledge about in which countries which currency is used and what are their rates, actual rates with the Indian currency. Okay, so it's my request and it's homework for you dear students. Find out the names of the currency used in other countries. Okay, and it's very interesting. Please go to your dictionary and search with the country's name, and also write country's name and their currency. Also you can write what is the actual value of their currency in our Indian rupees. This is really very interesting dear students. I hope you have understood it well and do it at home. So dear students, learn well, study well and stay at home. Thank you.